Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create videos using AI tools in 2023. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized the way we produce content, and video creation is no exception. AI-powered tools now allow us to generate engaging and professional-looking videos with ease. So in this guide, we'll explore some popular AI tools that can help you create stunning videos for your various needs. So make sure to stick by, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. And first, of course, we will have to choose the right AI video creation tool. So there are several AI-powered video creation tools available in 2023. Each tool has unique features and capabilities. Research and choose that one best aligns with your specific requirements, whether it's for marketing, social media, or personal projects. Once you've selected an AI video creation tool, you'll have to sign up for an account and access the platform. Most of these tools offer both free and paid plans with varying levels and features and even benefits. So I'll give you some examples. We have Victory, Synthesia, Wave Video, Design.ai, Runway, Raw Short, Lumen 5, and finally there is the Flex Clip. So for you, you can go and check them all out depending on whatever suits you. Of course, you can go and do your own research about those AI tools that I told you about. And then you will have to choose the right AI or the right AI video creation tool depending on your needs. In this video, I'll show you in Pictory AI. So go to this URL section, type pictory.ai, and hit the enter button. That should take you to the home screen or main screen of Pictory AI. If you don't know much about this tool, you can always scroll down, and here you'll be able to read more information about it, read the reviews about it, and basically familiarize yourself with this tool. So if you have an account, then you'll have to simply log in into it. And if you don't, you'll have to click on free trial to create an account for yourself. Let's just click here on pricing. And as you can see, we have here three plans that we can use: Standard, Premium, and Teams. Depending on the features that you want, you can go and get for yourself the free trial that you want. So for me, I'm just going here to log in into my account. And of course, for you, you can log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply go and create an account. So as you can see, once you sign up and access the tool, you'll have to select a video template or style. First, this AI tool gives you four options. You can script to, or you can change a script to video. You can change an article to video. You can edit a video using the text, or you can visuals or drag and drop files or browse from computer and make it into a video. This is going to be recommended for educational videos, as you can see here, listicle videos, coaching videos, and step-by-step guides. For this one, it's going to be good for blogs, press releases, and an HTML article. This one is going to be for adds subtitles automatically, cuts portions of video, creates video highlights, add logo and intro and outro. And the last one here, it's going to be for create a slideshow video using existing images and short video clip. So once you choose whatever suits you, example, let's just try to create a video using the scripts. So click on proceed here. And the video name is just going to be, as an example, how to create Facebook, as an example, Facebook accounts. So like that. And here you'll have to type the script. So I'm just going to type, hello, how are you doing? So for you, of course, make sure to even use ChatGPT to create the scripts for you. Once you do so, just paste the script all over here. For me, I'm just going to type something. So hello, how are you doing? Today, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Facebook. And simply here, just type random stuff and here. So that's it, and goodbye. So that's what I'm going to type. And simply here, as you can see, everything is okay. You can do, as an example, here in scene settings, you can create a new scene on both on line breaks or sentence, depending on whatever suits you. And there is the auto visual section, the auto highlights keywords if you want to highlight something here. And simply for me, I'm just going to click on proceed. So here you'll have to choose the templates on the library that are they giving you here. Of course, you can even go with your own templates if you have some. So for me here, I'm just going to choose as an example this flashlight. Why not? And 101 or 102.1. I'm just going to choose this, and please wait while the video storyboard is being created. So as you can see, now once we selected the video template or style, we'll have to wait, or this template, of course, that's given you can save you time and efforts in editing process. And once it's created, of course, as you can see, it's created right now, so let's just wait. And as you can see, hello, how are you doing today? I'm going to show you how to create an account on Facebook. This is for scene 1, scene 2, another script that I typed, and scene 3. So that's it, and goodbye. This is going to be the outer scene, and this is the intro scene. Of course, you can even go and make those visible. So as you can see, thanks for watching, and this is another day, another story. So you can make them disable or enable depending on whatever suits you. So on those scenes, you can go and as an example, customize the video however you want. So after selecting like the templates and entering your script, you'll be able to customize the video. So if you go here to story, you'll be able to delete the scenes or edit the scenes. You'll be able to add some visuals as an example for Facebook and accounts. As you can see, they even give you the videos that you may need to change instead of those. Here in the elements, you'll be able to add emojis, GIFs, stickers, audio. You'll be able to add some music if you want to. And as you can see, this one is already applied. You can even change it if you want to. You'll be able to add more text to the video. You can change styles, branding, and even formats. Once you do so, of course, as an example, or once you finish, you can simply go and click on preview at the top right corner. And here you'll be able to preview the video with the music that's on it and everything that's on it. And as you can see, they created the video. Don't worry about this watermark. Once you download it, it will not be there anymore. So as you can see from here, you'll be able to hear everything. You don't hear what I hear in the video. So as you can see, it's this AI tool creates the video for us with just a script. And as I said before, there's even other options like article. You can paste the URL of an article and create a video for you. You can edit a video using the text, or you can create a video depending on the pictures that or files that you will drop down here. So that's going to be it for this video. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. With AI video creation tool, you can fingertips creating captivating videos has never been more accessible. Embrace the power of AI to streamline your videos production process and unlock your creativity. Experiment with different styles and templates to find what resonates best with your audience. So happy video creating in 2023. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below. Subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I will see you in the next video.